Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unban Telegram account, right? So I don't know what you have did, but just go to the Telegram account and maybe it's depend upon what have you did, right? In some of the cases Telegram just delete your account or it just ban your account for permanently, right? So make sure you don't do it, but if you have did, then there are some of the option where you can just revive your account. I mean, you can unban your account, right? On the top right side corner you can see the three lines, right? And you will see the Telegram features. Just go to the Telegram features and here basically it's nothing, right? And you will not get a single option where you can contact Telegram, right? Then how you're going to ask to unban your Telegram account? Well, to do that you have to just go to your Gmail, right? And I mean any email, you can just go and click on the compose and you have to write it. Okay, so I'm just going to give you email address in which you have sent it. Basically it's a Telegram for, right? Just type telegram at the rate, right, spam at the rate telegram dot org, right? Once you did, you have to add this recipient, and once you did, make a proper subject and compose your email. You can just give all the proofs and everything that you have not this mistake, and if you have did, then just ask them to I will not this mistake and blah blah on all these things, right? And once you did, make sure to so this is it. And once you send the video, yeah, so in after 1 or 2 weeks you will get a reply from Telegram, right? And they will ask you, or they can unban your Telegram account. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.